How you doing, YouTube? This is Food for Thought. This is another hit me up real good and everything like that. I want to say something. You see this little girl right here? She's now 18 today. And I just want to say this too. When you stick by your kids and you work with them really hard, a lot of people say, oh, my kid is running them up. My kid is running them up. But I tell you right now, my daughter's doing really good. She's even on, I want to show you this too. She's even on an honor roll. You know what I mean? She's even on an honor roll. And we supposed to go and honor her and everybody who's on that honor roll. But my daughter was on an honor roll 3 times. And I think it's beautiful. You know, that's what happens when you raise your kid from being little. And then we end up losing our place. And then the rest is history. And we still working hard to get it, because I just want to say this to y'all. You just can't give up. You got to work with your kids. You got to stay strong with them, and you got to push hard. But with that note, I just wanted to hit y'all in the head with that. And take your time and show love to your kids. And kids out there, you show love to your parents, and that's how you do. And parents show love to each other and respect each other. See my wife, see my daughter. This is a long time ago picture, but they both look different today. The wife right here looks much younger. She took care of herself. And my daughter looks just as beautiful as her mother. And of course, people tell me I look handsome as an angel, and I feel like I am an angel. At the end of the day, God bless, many returns, and health and wellness. Live long and prosperous. Peace. I'm out. Remember, subscribe and share and like and thumbs up. Thank you. And comment. Please comment. Thank you. Let me know what you think.